Dunkin' fan. You look like, what is it, a medium
Ben Affleck?
caramel iced coffee? Is that your favorite?
I just told you this a second ago. Yeah, medium iced caramel coffee, 2 caramel, 1 cream. I've tested it for years. That's the best Dunkin' Donut drink combination. Any of the other flavors aren't good.
The question, though, is what if you walked in to get a donut and it was gone?
That's fine. I mean, donuts.
You're there for the coffee.
I told you in the 9 o'clock. I had
For
him
the
as a little
coffee.
kid. I haven't had him since. Shipley's is the way to go now. But the coffee, for sure. I mean, that's up there with some Starbucks. I don't know. There's a lot of good options around Austin for donuts and coffee.
Good for this weather, though? Warm coffee, cold?
I'm always iced coffee. I mean, even when it was super cold, I regretted it holding it in my hand. But today was seasonable. 63 was the high. Our normal high is 62, so we were kind of right where we should be. Started off pretty cold, though, at freezing in Camp Mabry. Right now, it's in the upper 40s. Some clouds here and there. Winds out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Big picture across the country, coastal low with some showers and maybe a thunderstorm here and there for Alabama, Mississippi, Alberta Clipper for the Midwest and portions of the Northeast. But notice the Lone Star State, really not a lot to talk about, just a few wispy clouds in central Texas right now. A lot of temperature change here from the 30s up to the upper 50s, low 60s in the valley. And we're kind of in between that in the 40s. 42 in Dallas, upper 40s in Austin, 51 degrees in San Antonio. Here's how your planner looks tomorrow. 36 at 7 a.m., 50 degrees for lunchtime plans, 53 by the afternoon hours. We'll see increasing clouds throughout the afternoon into the evening. Find your city here for temperatures, 55 in Bastrop, 53 in Georgetown, Lampasas at 50 degrees out toward Burnett and Mason County. May not break out of the upper 40s. So throughout the day on your Monday, we'll see a little bit of clouds in the morning, sunshine through the late morning into the afternoon. And then by the late afternoon and evening, a few upper level clouds will try to build in. No rainfall is expected by any sort of means with these clouds, but you may see a little bit of an overcast condition through the late evening hours. Wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour throughout your Monday. Then by Monday evening, those winds should subside heading off into your Tuesday. Your 3-day forecast, a bit warmer on Tuesday. 60s by Wednesday. We'll keep that mostly cloudy trend through most of the work week with some rain chances returning Friday into Friday night. 20% right now, not too much confidence with that. 10% on Saturday. And then by Sunday, we'll talk about our next big weather system that will be moving in across the lower 48. The GFS model keeps some cloudy conditions through the weekend. Could get a little sprinkle on your Saturday, and then most of that should kick up to the east of us. And this probably isn't a concern for Texas, but if we have updates, if that does trend a little farther west and Austin could get some more rain on Saturday, we'll let you know here at the First Warning Weather Center. High temperature trend from the 50s tomorrow, back up to the 60s Wednesday, Thursday, 70. How about that on Friday? Big drop of temps, though. Arctic front will be moving through, really cooling us down. Here's how it looks with the jet stream. Notice the trough that just digs in. That big U, that's the dip in the jet stream. Cold air is going to funnel in through the northern plains, the Midwest, even into Texas. And that allows chilly air to be in place for multiple days on end. So the Climate Prediction Center is saying 6 to 10 days out from now, colder than normal temperatures will be likely for literally all of us in Texas. So winter, it's not going anywhere. 36 tonight, mostly clear and cold. Tomorrow we'll start off a little bit of some clouds, then sunny, then clouds again, a little cooler as well compared to today's highs by about 10 degrees. All right, your First Warning Weather, 7-day forecast, 50s back up to the 60s, then 70s, some rain on Friday, and then back down to 50 degrees next Sunday.